Why can't Python parse this JSON data? I have this JSON in a file. I wrote this script to print all of the JSON data. This program raises an exception, though. How can I parse the JSON and extract its values?
Your data is not valid JSON format. You have, when you should have, for the masks and parameters elements. R for JSON arrays, which are called list in Python. R for JSON objects, which are called dict in Python. Here's how your JSON file should look. Then you can use your code. With data, you can now also find values like so. Try those out and see if it starts to make sense.
Your data.json should look like this. Your code should be. Note that this only works in Python 2.6 and up, as it depends upon the with statement. In Python 2.5, use from __future __ import with _ statement in Python is lower than or equal to 2.4. See Justin Peel's answer, which this answer is based upon. You can now also access single values like this.
Here you go with modified data.json file. You can call or print data on console by using below lines. Expected output for print, data _ item, parameters, 0, ID. Expected output for print, data _ item, parameters, 0, ID.
To